Hello guys, today our topic is voidable contract and void agreements. What agreements are contracts? All agreements are contracts if they are made by the free consent of parties competent to contract for a lawful consideration and with a lawful object and are not hereby expressly declared to be void. Nothing here contained shall affect any law in force in Bangladesh and not hereby expressly replaced by which any contract is required to be made in writing or in the presence of witness or any law relating to the registration of documents who are competent to contract. Every person is competent to contract who is the age of majority according to the law, which is subject and who is sound mind and is not disqualified from contracting by law to which he is object. What is a sound mind of the purposes of the contracting? A person is said to be sound mind for the purpose of making a contract if at the time when he makes it he is capable of understanding it and of forming a rational judgment as its effect upon his interest. A person who is usually a person who is usually of sound mind but occasionally of unsound mind may not make a contract when he is of unsound mind. Let's example. A patient to a latex alum who is in intervals of sound mind may contract during those intervals. A sane man who is delicious from over who is drunk that contract understand the terms of a contract or form a rational judgment is to effect on his interest cannot contract whereas such drill of understanding list. Consent defined. Two or more persons are said to be consent when they agree upon the same thing to the same sense. Free consent defined. Consent is said to be free when it is not caused by occurrence defined section 15 or under influence as defined in section 16 or fraud as defined in section 17 or misrepresentation as defined in section 18 or mistake subject to the provision of section 20, 21 and 22. Consent is said to be caused when it is would not have been given but for the existence of such correction under influence, fraud, misrepresentation or mistake.